Say hello to the Acemagic F3A, the newest contender in the growing mini PC market. Compact yet powerful, this mini PC is built to handle it all. AI, multitasking, gaming, and beyond. At its heart is the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 chipset, delivering 12 cores and 24 threads for blazing fast performance. But that's not all. It packs a dedicated NPU, rated at an impressive 50 tops, for AI-heavy applications like machine learning or real-time object detection. Combine that with CPU and GPU acceleration for up to 80 tops, and you've got a true AI powerhouse. The F3A supports up to a jaw-dropping 96 GB of DDR5 RAM with speeds up to 5,600 MHz. Whether you're editing, gaming, or running complex simulations, this system has the memory bandwidth to handle it effortlessly. Storage, it's equipped with an M2 NVMe PCIe SSD, ensuring lightning-fast load times. Performance means nothing without cooling. That's why Acemagic has included heat pipes and dual fans to actively cool both the CPU and SSD, ensuring you stay productive without any thermal throttling. When it comes to connectivity, the F3A doesn't disappoint. From HDMI 2.1, USB Type-C and DisplayPort 2.0 for multi-display setups, to dual 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet ports for blazing fast networking, it's ready to fit into any setup. And yes, it's got RGB lighting for that sleek, customizable look, perfect for adding some flair to your desk. Acemagic hasn't announced a launch date or pricing yet, but keep your eyes peeled for early bird discounts when pre-orders go live. The Acemagic F3A, a mini PC that's redefining what compact computing can do.